Hey there, today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to limit your budget on AWS so you can keep your cloud spending in check. First, log into your AWS Management Console. If you don't have an AWS account, you will need to create one. It's quick and easy. Once you are logged in, head over to AWS Budget Service. Now let's create a budget. Click on the Create a Budget button. Here you can choose from various budget types depending on your needs such as cost, usage, or both. I will select monthly cost budget. Next, configure your budget setting. Give your budget a name and set your budget amount. This is the maximum amount you want to spend within your budget period. You can also set up notification to be alerted when you are approaching your budget limit. This is a fantastic feature to help you stay on track. You can add your email account here. Now click on the create budget. And there you have it. You have successfully set up a budget on AWS to help you manage your cloud spending. It's simple yet effective way to stay in control of your expenses. Thanks for watching this quick AWS chart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AWS tips. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.